Hey guys, welcome to Smartphone Fan. Today we got the Redmi K50 Pro. Last time, we reviewed the Redmi K50 Gaming Edition, and we reviewed the Redmi K50 Benz AMG F1 Special Edition. But today, we have the latest Redmi K50 Pro. So today we will see what's inside the box and what is the difference between these models. Before the Redmi K50, they use the Snapdragon processor and they focus more on gaming. But today we got the Pro Edition, and this one I think they focus more on camera or some other parts, not so gaming, because as the CEO of Redmi told us, the gaming, they focus more on gaming experience, but for the K50 Pro, they will make it more average flagship, so it's not so focused on gaming. And okay, today we will see what's inside the box and see the basic specification of this model. But first, let's see the box. Check the box. So this is the normal design box. It's not like the gaming box. It's a normal design, and here in front of the box we can see the logo here, and we also can see the K50 model Pro, the model name. And here very big numbers of 120 watts 2K. This is about the charging efficient, and it is about the screen displayer. So this is the box design is normal design, and today we have the 8GB plus 128GB edition. It's the basic, not the high specification. So let's see what's inside the box. Okay, let's open it. Whoa, cannot wait to see. Okay, so here, put it aside. So this is what's inside the box. Another package. I think this is the pin eject. And this is the user manual, warranty card, user manual. Okay. Here we have a plastic case. Okay, plastic case. Good quality. Transparent plastic case. So this is case. Okay. Instructions and plastic case. So this is what inside this small box. Okay, next let's check other parts, other stuff in the box. So this is a smartphone. Okay, let's put it inside here, and under the smartphone we can see, okay, this is a charger 120 watts fast charging charger, designed by Xiaomi. Okay, Type-C USB Type-C charger. Okay, and this is the cable. Okay, you can see it's a Type-C cable, normal cable. So this is about a cable, charger. Okay, next let's see smartphone. So here use a normal plastic screw protector to protect the smartphone. Okay, let's peel it off. Whoa. Nothing I want to mention is that today we got it's a special color of Redmi. Okay, let's peel this off. Peel this off. So you can see special color. If you can see it, special color. See the special color. Oh, they call it 墨鱼. It's kind of like micro stones on the ground. So this is a smartphone. We will talk about it on several aspects. First is about the processor, and then screen, and then camera, and then battery. First, before we talk about the processor, let's see the appearance. This smartphone is not, I will say it's not like the other Xiaomi smartphones, because you can check here the camera zone is totally different. Before, sometimes they use a circle here, and sometimes they use a square zone here, but this time they combine it together, and we can see there's a circle camera zone in the square. So it's totally different, and I would say, and here they have some infrared speaker, mic, and charger. I think they have some special. I would say they do some special here, because it's not. It's this place. This zone is different. With the frame is this here is not so shy. It's not so shy, and here this place is shining. So they put something special here and make it different compared to the other parts of the frame and front frame. Also, they used a wardrobe screen, camera here, Type-C cable, camera, okay, Redmi logo. The size is comfortable. You know, my hands is not so big, but I think I can hold it comfortably, and it's easy to control with one hand. You see, one hand. Okay. First, let's talk about the processor. Compared to the Redmi K50 Gaming Edition, because before they used the Snapdragon 8th generation, but this time they used the latest MediaTek Dimensity 9000. It's a new processor from MediaTek. So this time they put a very new processor in this smartphone, and also compared to the Snapdragon price, I think processor prices will be slower. So this time the customers can get more cost-effective smartphones. The processor also they use the LPDDR5 and UFS 3.1, the main flagship certifications for smartphone. And I will say this time the MediaTek also did a good job on this processor, because last time they also released a MediaTek processor, but this time they upgraded it. I will say it is the strongest and the powerful processor from MediaTek. It's power saving and the more efficient. So I think that's why the Redmi choose this as the processor. Also, I I saw the test score from the internet. They told us this MediaTek Dimensity 9000 can got into to score over 1 million, 1 million score. So it's amazing performance. This and this is about the processor. And also next, I will say they also upgrade the cooling system of this smartphone. They use the latest VC cooling mantle, and the size is much bigger than the last generation, so it can get more cooling efficient. And also I have checked the test from other reviewers. After half an hour gaming, the front camera can control over 40 degree, and I mean the rear 40 degree, and the front a bit higher, 43 to 44. So it's also good performance for this. And okay, next we will go to the screen. As I mentioned before, now is they use the wardrobe screen, and there are triple rear cameras and one front camera, and also screen is 6.67 inch. Is Samsung 2K screen, and it support to 120 Hz refresh rate. Is also OLED screen. Also, it support up to 526 ppi. The brightness, peak brightness is 1020 nit. So it's very distant and very flagship screen. The Redmi K50 use. Also the screen also used parsed the display A plus rate. So actually I would say it's good. Also they use the Corning Victus, the latest generation Corning glass. It's very tough, and shock. I mean, yes, I've turned on the smartphone to check the display result of the smartphone. You see, the display is decent. Okay, next I will say the battery. This time this smartphone is not so big, but they also put a very big battery. In this K50 Pro, it has this 5000 big battery, and also, as I told you, it support to amazing 120 watts big battery with fast charging. So it's really amazing for this. I would say normally it's less than half an hour. You can charge it from 0% to 100%. So it's very useful. And also another thing I've mentioned is that the Xiaomi, they hosted their ARM developer processor, the P1 better processor. You know, I think this year more and more Chinese smartphone makers, they use their ARM processor, like really magic. They have their own gaming processor, and Oppo Find X5 Pro, they use their own camera processor. But now this time, the Redmi K50 they use their own developed battery processor. Is so it's good that more and more Chinese makers, smart makers, they have their own processor. So it's also make the customers more satisfied. Okay, yes, the next is about the camera, and also this time they have the triple rear camera and one front camera. This front camera is 20 megapixel and the about three real cameras. The main is it supports megapixel. It's amazing. His support up. It supports I would say 100 megapixel main camera, and also have the 2 megapixel wide lens and 8 megapixel micro lens. Sorry, it's 8 megapixel wide angle and 120 degrees angle, and the micro lens is 2 megapixel. So it's amazing. Also here they have the dual color LED flashlight, and also here you can see it's 108 megapixel OI. Okay, it's also support OIS. It's optical steady. Yes, it's anti-shake. Triple camera. So this time the camera is also amazing. Also, I mentioned before, not like the gaming edition, the focus more on gaming, but this time they focus on the camera and the screen, charger. They focus more on the main features of the normal use. So this is about the camera part, and also the this is the no this is the main specifications, the main point I want to mention today, and it's a very quick and a simple unboxing video. And thanks for watching. I hope you like this video, and let's stay tuned and wait for more gadgets from here. And okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.